Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the Bernoulli's equation. This is new concept and also very important concept and continuation of the linear differential equations. What is Bernoulli's equation? An equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y power n, where p and q are functions of x and x only, is called Bernoulli's equation. What is Bernoulli's? An equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y power n, where p and q are functions of x only, is called Bernoulli's equation. Now, how to solve Bernoulli's equations? First, we know these solutions, how to do and how to solve these type of solutions. First, we can write as the given Bernoulli's equation. What is given Bernoulli's equation? The solution of Bernoulli equation we have to do here. Now, given Bernoulli equation can be written as dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y power n. This is called Bernoulli's equation. Now, dividing total equation by y power n, that is 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p into 1 by y power n minus 1 is equal to q. This is called equation 1. Now put y power 1 by y power n minus 1. 1 by y power n minus 1 is equal to v. Now differentiate this value with respect to x, and then we get the minus of n minus 1 by y power n into derivative of y means dy by dx, and is equal to derivative of v with respect to x is dv by dx. And now simplifying, this is equal to 1 by y power n into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus n into dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes 1 by 1 minus 1. You now substitute the 1 by y power n dy by dx value in the equation 1. That will becomes 1 by 1 minus n into dv by dx plus p into 1 by y power n minus 1 means that is v, and p into v is equal to q. And now simplifying this equation, we get dv by dx plus 1 minus n into pv is equal to 1 minus n into q. Now this is linear equation in v and can be solved by previous methods, linear differential equations, isn't it? Now continue the next slide. Now, we have to know the procedure how to solve the Bernoulli's equation. dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y power n. Now write the step 1, divide by y power n, divide the total equation by y power n, and step 2, put y power 1 minus 1 minus n, put y power 1 minus n is equal to v. Now put y power 1 minus n is equal to v, so that now differentiate y power 1 minus n into y power 1 minus n is equal to v with respect to x, so that this will becomes y power minus n into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus n into dv by dx. And step 3, substitute these values and write in the form dv by dx plus p dash into v is equal to q. And step 4, solve as linear equation in v. And step 4 is solve as linear equation in v, because the above step 3 is in the form of linear equation. And note, some differential equations which are not Bernoulli's equation can be reduced linear equations with suitable substitutions. And for example, based on the Bernoulli's concept, we have to take the one example and solve dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square by x square. Take the pen. This is the given differential equation, and the given equation is dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square by x square. And now the differential equation, the given differential equation can be, total equation can be divided by y power minus 2, and that will becomes, that equation will becomes y power minus 2 into dy by dx. Total differential equation can be divided by y square, not y power minus 2. Divided by y square means that the equation will becomes y power minus 2 into dy by dx plus 1 by x into y power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x square. So this is called equation 1. Now in this equation 1, we are consider put y power minus 1 is equal to v, or 1 by y is equal to v. Now differentiate 1 by y is equal to v with respect to x, we get minus of y power minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. And the equation 1 will become, substitute these two in equation 1, substitute these two in equation 1. So we got equation 1 will becomes minus dv by dx plus 1 by x into v is equal to 1 by x square. Now simplifying, dv by dx minus 1 by xv is equal to minus 1 by x square. Here only change as the sign only. Total differential equation can be multiplied by minus sign. This will becomes dv by dx minus 1 by xv is equal to minus 1 by x square. Now this is a linear equation in v, and here p is equal to minus 1 by x and q is equal to minus 1 by x square. Now continue the next slide. And d minus of dv by dx plus 1 by xv is equal to 1 by x square, multiplying with minus total equation, and this will become dv by dx minus 1 by xv is equal to minus 1 by x square. Now this is a linear equation way. Here p, comparing the linear equation with obtained differential equation, we got p is equal to minus 1 by x and q is equal to minus 1 by x square. Now integrating factor, if it is a linear equation, so we need to find the integrating factor, that is integral e power p dx. So first we have to find the integral of p dx, that is integration of minus 1, p means here minus 1 by x, integral minus 1 by x dx is equal to integration of log 1 by x means log x, that is minus log x is equal to log of 1 by x. So what is integrating factor? Therefore if is equal to e power integral p dx is equal to e power log 1 by x is equal to 1 by x. Therefore the solution is v into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx. This implies v into 1 by x is equal to integration of minus 1 by x square into 1 by x dx. Here q means minus 1 by x square, integrating factor means 1 by x. So this will becomes minus of integral x power minus 3 dx. And now integrating x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c, this is equal to 1 by 2x square plus c. Therefore the required solution is 1 by xy is equal to 1 by 2x square plus c, isn't it? And we have see the another example, or what is general solution here? General solution is 1 by xy is equal to 1 by 2x square plus c. Okay, and here see the another example. For x greater than 0, find the solution of the equation dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square x sin x, given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to pi. This is very, very important problem. Now, given equation is dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square x sin x. This is called equation 1. And this is a Bernoulli's equation, because this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x into y power n. And here q of x is the x sin x, and p of x means that is 1 by x. Now total equation divided by y square, or multiplying with equation 1 by y power minus 2, we get y power minus 2 into dy by dx plus y power minus 1 by x is equal to x sin x, and this is called equation 2. Now let we consider y power minus 1 is equal to u, so that differentiate y power minus 1 is equal to u with respect to x, we get y power minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to minus du by dx, and this is called equation 3. And continue the next slide. From 2 and 3, we have minus du by dx plus u by x is equal to x sin x. This implies du by dx minus u by x is equal to minus x sin x. This is called equation 4. And this is a linear equation in u. Now integrating factor is integrating factor is equal to e power minus of integral 1 by x dx. This is equal to e power minus log x is equal to e power log x inverse is equal to 1 by x. And the general solution of 4 is u into 1 by x is equal to minus of integral x sin x into 1 by x dx. And this implies u by x is equal to cos x plus c. This implies u is equal to x cos x plus cx. This is called equation 5. And substituting u is equal to 1 by 5 in equation 5, then the general solution of equation 1 is xy cos x plus cxy is equal to 1. This is called equation 6. Given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to pi, substituting these values in 6, we get pi of 1 into cos pi plus c into pi of 1 is equal to 1. And this implies c is equal to pi plus 1 into pi plus 1 by pi. Therefore, the solution of 1 is xy cos x plus, the solution of 1 is xy cos x plus xy into xy plus 1 by pi is equal to 1. This implies pi into xy cos x plus pi plus 1 into xy is equal to pi. This is the solution of the above differential equation. Now we have see the another example. Solve dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square into y is equal to x root y. Dividing both sides of the given equation by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2, because this is Bernoulli's equation. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x into y power n. Here y power n means y power 1 by 2. Now total equation divided by 2 into y power 1 by 2 or y power 1 by 2. Now dividing both sides by given equation by 2 into y power 1 by 2, we have 1 by 2 root y dy by dx plus 1 by 2 into x by 1 minus x square root y is equal to 1 by 2x. Now put y power 1 by 2 is equal to v. Now differentiate y power 1 by 2 is equal to v with respect to x. We got 1 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. And continue the next slide. And 1 by 2 y power minus 1 by 2 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. When these equations, substituting the equation 1, these are substituting with equation 1, and equation 1 becomes dy by dx plus 1 by 2 into x by 1 minus x square into v is equal to x by 2, which is a linear differential equation in v as a dependent variable. Here p is equal to, what is p? Comparing the linear differential equation, p is equal to x by 2 into 1 minus x square and q is equal to x by 2. And what is the integrating factor? If it is linear, we have to find the integrating factor, that is e power integral p dx. So first we need to find the e power not e power integral of p dx, and integration of what is p? 1 by 2 into x by 1 minus x square dx. Now integrating, we get this is also written as minus 1 by 4 into integral minus 2x by 1 minus x square into dx, isn't it? Minus 2x by 1 minus x square into dx. Now this is in the form of f dash x by f of x log into dx. Integration of f dash x by f of x dx means log f of x. So similar way you can write it as minus 1 by 4 log 1 minus x square, and simplifying we get log 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 4, and this will becomes log of 1 by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4. And what is integrating factor here? E power integral p dx. And here what is integration of p dx means log of 1 by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4, and this is written as 1 by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4. Therefore the solution is v into integrating factor. What is integrating factor here? 1 by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4. So v by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4 is equal to integration of q into integrating factor plus c. So 1 by 2 into, here q means x by 2, and x by integrating factor means 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4 into dx plus c. Now integrating, and v by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into, here putting 1 minus x square is equal to t and minus 2x dx is equal to dt. So this is rewritten as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into t power minus 1 by 4 dt, and root y by, now simplifying, root y by, here v means, what is v? V means root y. Root y by minus 1 root 1 by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4 into, what is integration of t power minus 1 by 4? T power minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by minus 1 by 4 plus 1, that is written as 4 by 3 into t power 3 by 4 plus c. Therefore v is equal to root y. Now simplifying, therefore root y by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 4 plus c. Here t means 1 minus x square. Now continue the next problem. Solve dy by dx into x square y cube plus xy is equal to 1. So what is given differential equation? Dy by dx plus x square y cube plus xy is equal to 1. Now this differential equation can be rewritten as dx by dy is equal to x square y cube plus xy is equal to xy only, and this implies x power minus 2 into dx by dy. And now this is in the form of dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y into x. This is the another linear differential equation form. This is another linear differential equation form. Now this differential equation can be divided by, both sides divided by x square, or multiplying by x power minus 2. We can write it as x power minus 2 into dx by dy minus x power minus 2 into dx by dy minus x power minus 1 into y is equal to y cube. This is called equation 1. Now put x power minus 1 is equal to v. Put x power minus 1 is equal to v, then minus of x power minus 2 dx by dy is equal to dv by dy, and this is equal to x power minus 2 Here put x power minus 1 is equal to v. Differentiate x power minus 1 is equal to v with respect to x, with respect to y, not x. And this is written as x minus of x power minus 2 into dx by dy is equal to dv by dy. This implies x power minus 2 into dx by dy is equal to minus dv by dy. Isn't it? X power minus v is equal to v. Now differentiate. This one means minus 1 x power minus 2 and dx by dv or dx by dy, not dv. Dx by dy is equal to dv by dy. Okay, dv by dy. So this is written as x power minus 2 into dx by dy is equal to x power minus 2 dx by dy minus x power minus 1 into y is equal to y cube. Now this is also written as equation 1 will become, substituting these two values, equation 1 will becomes minus dv by dy minus vy is equal to y cube. This implies dv by dy plus yv is equal to minus y cube. This is linear equation in v. Here p is equal to y and q is equal to minus y cube. And what here integrating factor is e power integral p dy. And the integrating factor e power integral, what is p here? P means y, e power y dy. This will become integration of y means y square by 2. That is e power y square by 2 is the integrating factor. Okay. Now the solution is v into integrating factor. Here v into integrating factor and integration of q into integrating factor. So v into e power y square by 2 is equal to integration of minus y cube into e power y square by 2 into dy. And this equation to solve the integral value minus y cube e power y square by 2 dy, put y square by 2 is equal to v. Y square by 2 is equal to some t. Here consider put y square by 2 is equal to some t. Now differentiate y with respect to t, that is with respect to x, that then y dy is equal to dt, and therefore v into e power y square by 2 is equal to, now substituting these two values in this equation, and we got minus integral 2t into e power t dt is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 t e power t plus 2 into integral 2 into e power t dt. This is equal to minus 2t e power t plus 2 into e power t plus c, and this is equals to minus y square into e power y square by 2 plus 2 into e power y square by 2 plus c. And this implies v is equal to minus y square plus 2 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. So therefore the required solution is x power minus 1 is equal to minus y square plus 2 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. Now simplifying, this is equal to x into 2 minus y square plus c into e power minus y square by 2 is equal to 1. And continue the next slide. Change of variables. Change of variables. The given differential equation does not directly come under any of the form discussed so far to one of these forms. Then we can reduce the differential equation by suitable substitution. This procedure of reducing the given differential equation by substitution is called the change of variables or dependent or independent variables. Change of dependent or independent variables. What is change of variables? So far we have did so many methods. So now any differential equation is not come under, up to we have discussed the methods, not come any of these methods. So we can reduce these type of differential equation by up to we have discussed methods. This is called change of variables. And this procedure of reducing the given differential equation by substitution is called the change of dependent or independent variables. The given differential equation does not directly come under any of the following methods. Following already we have discussed methods, any one of these forms. So then we can reduce the differential equation by suitable substitution. This procedure of reducing the given differential equation by substitution is called the change of dependent or independent variables. For example, solve x dx plus y dy by x dy minus y dx is equal to under root of a square minus x square minus y square by x square plus y square. Let x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Then r square is equal to x square plus y square and y by x is equal to tan theta. Now dx is equal to dr cos theta minus r sin theta d theta, and dy is equal to dr sin theta plus r cos theta d theta. Here r and theta are the two variables. Now differentiate x is equal to r cos theta means dx is equal to, here u into v form, r into cos theta means u into v. Differentiation of r is dr and cos theta minus plus r into differentiation of cos theta means minus sin theta. So we got dr cos theta minus r sin theta. In similar way, y is equal to r sin theta. Here dy, differentiation of y means dy, and r into sin theta, this is in the form of u into v, and differentiation of r is dr into sin theta plus r into differentiation of derivative of sin theta means cos theta, and theta, derivative of theta means d theta. So this will becomes dy is equal to dr sin theta plus r cos theta into d theta. So substitute all these values in above differential equation. So this will becomes r cos theta into dr cos theta minus r sin theta d theta by, r cos theta into dr cos theta minus r sin theta d theta plus r sin theta into dr cos theta plus r cos theta d theta by r cos theta into dr sin theta plus r cos theta d theta minus r sin theta into dr cos theta minus r sin theta d theta. Here common value is r cos theta, r sin theta, and this total equation will divided by or multiplying the r cos theta into bracket value and r sin theta into inner bracket value. So we got here right side part is under root of a square minus r square cos square theta minus r square sin square theta by r square cos theta plus r square sin square theta. R is common from left side, right side part. So r is common from right side, that will becomes r square into cos square sin square means 1, that will become root of r square means r, and above value is minus r square is common, r square common, cos square plus sin square, that is also 1, under root of a square minus r square value is the remaining value is there. And now simplifying, we got the left side part is r into cos square theta plus r into sin square theta into dr by r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta d theta is equal to under root of a square minus r square by r square. This will becomes 1 by r into dr by theta is equal to root of a square minus r square by r, and this implies 1 by root of a square minus r square into dr is equal to d theta. Now continue the next slide. And this implies integral 1 by root of a square minus r square into dr is equal to integral d theta. Here is a variation of separable method. Here r terms are one side and theta terms are one side, and integration of 1 by root of a square minus r square means sin inverse r by a, and is equal to integration of d theta means theta plus c. So sin inverse r by a is equal to theta plus c. This implies r is equal to a sin theta plus c. Now simplifying, root of x, here root of x square plus y square is equal to a sin of tan inverse y by x plus c. Here r means root of x square plus y square. So root of x square plus y square is equal to a sin, here theta means tan inverse y by x plus c. Now take the another example. Solve dy by dx plus y by x into log y is equal to y by x square log y whole square. Dividing both sides of the given equation by y log y whole square, we have 1 by y log y whole square dx by dy plus 1 by x 1 by log y is equal to 1 by x square. Now this is in the form of linear Bernoulli's equation. Put 1 by log y is equal to, so that minus 1 by log y whole square 1 by y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Here dx by dx is there, dx not dx in numerator, dy 1 by y log y whole square into dy by dx plus 1 by x into 1 by log y is equal to 1 by x square. And differentiate 1 by log y is equal to v with respect to x. This will becomes minus 1 by log y whole square into 1 by y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. With these substitution of the equation 1 will becomes minus dv by dx plus v by x is equal to 1 by x square, or dv by dx minus 1 by x into v is equal to minus 1 by x square. This is linear with v as the dependent variable. Here p is equal to minus 1 by x and q is equal to minus 1 by x square. Therefore, integrating factor e power integral p dx is equal to e power minus integral 1 by x dx is equal to e power minus log x is equal to e power log of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, the solution is v by x is equal to integral of minus 1 by x square into 1 by x dx plus c. This implies 1 by log y into 1 by x is equal to minus of integral minus x power minus 3 dx plus c. So 1 by x log y is equal to integration of x power minus remains 1 by 2x square plus c. And we have seen another example. Solve dy by dx plus 1 by x is equal to e power y by x square. And dividing out by e power y, this is in the form of Bernoulli's equation, that is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x into y power n. Here y power n means e power y, dividing total equation by e power y, and this will become e power minus y into dy by dx plus e power minus y into 1 by x is equal to 1 by x square. Now continue the next slide. And these values substituting in general equation 1, it will becomes minus dv by dx plus or put the e power minus y is equal to v, and differentiate e power minus y is equal to v with respect to s. We got minus of e power minus y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx, and substituting these values in equation 1, we get the minus dv by dx plus 1 by x into v is equal to 1 by x square, and dv by dx minus 1 by x into v is equal to minus 1 by x square. This is linear with v as the dependent variable, and here p and q are the p is equal to minus 1 by x and q is equal to minus 1 by x square. Now what is the integrating factor? If it is linear, we need to find the integrating factor, that is e power integral p dx. So e power integral minus 1 by x into dx and e power minus log x and e power log of 1 by x, and this is written as 1 by x. Therefore, the general solution is v into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c, and this is rewritten as the v into integrating factor means 1 by x is equal to minus of integral 1 by x square into 1 by x dx plus c, and now simplifying we got 1 by 2x square plus c. So simply e power minus y into 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2x square plus c. This implies e power minus y into 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2cx square by 2x square. This implies 2x is equal to 1 plus 2cx square into e power y. And we see the another example. Solve dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y into e power x minus e power minus y. E power x in minus e power y. Dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y into e power x minus e power y. Now the given differential equation can be written as dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y into e power x minus e power y. This implies e power y into dy by dx is equal to e power 2x minus e power x into e power y. This is called equation 1. Put e power y is equal to v, then e power y into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Continue the next slide. And dv by dx is equal to e power 2x minus e power x into v. This implies dv by dx plus e power x into v is equal to e power 2y. It is linear in v. Here p is equal to e power x, q is equal to e power 2x, and integrating factor is e power p dx, e power integral p dx, and this is equal to e power integral e power x dx. Integration of e power x means e power x. E power x means e power x. So therefore the solution is v into integral factor is equal to q into integral factor into dx plus c, and this is written as v into integration factor means e power x is equal to integral of e power 2x into integration factor means e power x into dx. Here put to solve the integral e power x into e power x, put e power x is equal to t, then e power x dx is equal to dt, and therefore v into e power x is equal to integration of substitute these values in right side part, we got integral t into e power t dt is equal to t e power t minus of integral e power t dt, and this is equal to t into e power t minus e power t plus c. Now simplifying we get e power x minus 1 into e power x plus c. Finally we got v is equal to e power x minus 1 plus c into e power minus t, and the required solution is e power y is equal to e power x minus 1 plus c into e power minus of e power x. And this is the Bernoulli's equation problems below. So you have do yourself these problems, and if it is not possible, ask me and I will tell you how to do these problems. Okay, and the class is ended. Tomorrow I will continue this continuation of part. And okay, thank you everyone. We will continue tomorrow.